Hi, what's up guys, it's Tony here and I'm back again with another video. So in today's video, I want to show you how to make money online by blogging. By the way, if you look at your screen right now, you see that amount of money you're seeing right now. That money was made just by publishing and writing articles on the web, and I will reveal to you exactly how to make that much per month just by publishing articles. So make sure you watch to the end of this video, because I'm going to be giving out a very vital information on how you can make this much every single month from blogging. So without further shalaye, let's get to the video. Blogging simply means writing or publishing text or articles or posts about a particular topic on the web. Okay, so this is basically blogging. You can blog about happenings in the news, what is happening in the world. You can blog about how to take care of your dreadlock. You can blog about television, gadgets, wristwatch. You can blog about videos. So blogging encompasses every topic. So it's not just restricted to one topic. You can blog, you can, so far as you can write, you know so well about a particular topic, then you can blog about that topic. You need a platform. You need a platform to publish your thoughts, to write articles and publish on that people can go there to read. There are so many platforms out there. Like you can blog on Facebook. Yes, Facebook is a blogging platform also. Then you can blog on Twitter. You can blog on Instagram. You can blog on medium.com and so many other platforms that are out there. I just mentioned the popular ones. So far as there is a platform that is popular that people can go to read articles or your thoughts, then you can blog on those platforms. Then apart from these three platforms I just mentioned, the most prominent one of them is owning your website, blogging on a website, owning your niche website where you can blog about a particular topic. That's why I mentioned niche. So you can own your website by writing your name, maybe www.tonyobum.com, or you are watching this video, you can name your website www.tolulope.com. Okay, so you can also blog on your own personal website, your property on the web. All of this is allowed in blogging. I know you are curious, you want to know how to make money blogging. And previously I mentioned about different forms of blogging. I mentioned about blogging on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram. Okay, this section or these forms of blogging, you can make money from these forms of blogging by selling ad spaces, by running sponsored adverts, by posting ads on your page. Let me give you a typical example. If you guys know WordStar, right? WordStar on Instagram, or if you guys know the Shade Room, okay, if I'm not just talking about my Nigerian audience, everyone should know Shade Room, right? Then you guys should know WordStar on either Facebook or on Instagram. So these two are big giants in the blogging fair, okay. And for WordStar blogs about music artists. So how these guys make money? If you want to make money by blogging on these platforms I just mentioned, like on Twitter, on Facebook, and on Instagram, you have to be able to have the audience first. Okay, you have to be able to have audience, like a huge number of persons are on your blog. Okay, so this is where the money spinner is. If you have like 2,000, like 20,000 followers on any of your blogs, maybe on Facebook, on Instagram, or on Twitter, once you have the audience that people are willing to pay for, then you can make money, one, by selling ad spaces. So brands can contact you, artists can contact you, depending on the niche and what your blog is all about, can contact you to make payments. They will pay you a particular amount of money for you to post them on your wall, on your Facebook, on your blog on Facebook, on your blog on Twitter, on your blog on Instagram. So you charge a particular amount for you to just maybe post a news about them, or post their pictures, or give them shout outs. Okay, shout outs for people to follow them on their platform. So this is how you can make money blogging on these social media platforms I just mentioned. Then number two, you can also make money on social media platforms if you blog there by selling merch. If you have, all you need is traffic, the audience. Like, people should have eyes on your blog. So once you have eyes on your blog, you can sell anything sellable to your audience. You can sell your merch. You can sell your merch, like I have my merch here with my logo on it. So you can sell any product you have on your blog. So these are two major ways of making money. Three major ways of making money on these social media platforms if you blog on those social media platforms. I hope you get that right. So that aside, then there is another form of blogging that where you can make money, which I mentioned earlier, which is blogging on your own website. So this is the cocoa, like this is the major way of making money. Actually, that screenshot you saw, or that video you saw from the beginning of the video, was made from just publishing a post on your own website. Okay, and this is where Google AdSense comes in. I know you're confused. What is Google AdSense? So let me just explain how Google AdSense works. So if you own a website, a blog, and you blog on that website, you publish articles, you write how-tos or tutorials or whatever on your blog. Let me just stick to that term, blog. So if your website qualifies to be on the Google AdSense program, Google AdSense will pay you each time people view ads. There are ads. If you get approved, you will see ads on your website. So the more people view the ads on your website, the more you get paid. Okay, the more you get paid. Then the more clicks people make on those adverts that appear on your website while they are reading, the more you get paid. So this is how it works. And how much you earn from these views and clicks depends on where your viewers are reading your blog from, and where your viewers are clicking from, and also the type of topic you have on your blog. So let's assume now we have two bloggers. Those two bloggers, one is talking about entertainment, about Justin Bieber, about Michael Jackson and the rest of them. Then one person is talking about e-commerce and Facebook ad. Trust me, if these two persons have the same amount of views, like 20,000 views a month, the person blogging about how to make money on Facebook ads and e-commerce will make more than someone that blogs about Michael Jackson and co. Then secondly, location of your viewers. If your viewers are coming from India, like third world countries, okay, the amount of money you make is not the same thing, is not the same amount for someone that has viewers from China, from USA, from the UK, from Switzerland. Okay, so that's the difference. But all the same, you can make money blogging when you have your own website through Google AdSense. So at this junction, having explained how you can make money using Google AdSense, I want to talk about bring up an authority that can teach you how to make money proper by blogging, niche blogging. I mean, that screenshot you saw there, we are earnings from my friend. They are not my screenshots. I haven't made that much from blogging. So they are all screenshots and earnings from my very good friend called Fidelis Ozuola. If you all know Fidelis, if you know waploaded.com or waptutors.com, he is the owner of Waploaded. All those Waploaded you do here, yes, he's the owner, and he has a group where he will teach every one of you, like he will not everyone, like he will share tips on how you can replicate that same result you see on your screen right now. So I'll leave a link in the description to this video and also pin it in the comment section. So please go join that group. He said once we have up to 2,000 persons or members on that group, he will start sharing tips on how you can make from $500 to more than $1,000 per month just by blogging. So please, if you are interested and want to take action and want to earn from someone that has a track record, please go click that link right now. Please do it right now, and I'll appreciate that a lot. So having mentioned that, I know you asked the next question, like, what do I need to start blogging, like having my own website? It is very simple. You need to buy a hosting from a hosting company. You have to buy a domain name from also hosting companies or domain vendor companies. Then you need to apply for Google AdSense when you have enough content, like up to 10 content on your website. But I'm not going to go in depth because you guys know me, like I don't talk about what I don't know too well about and what I don't have results for. So this is why I'm all inviting you to that group, to that niche blogging class by Fidelis Ozuola. Please, if you really want to make money, start making money blogging, I highly recommend this guy. I highly recommend him here. He has track records, he has results for it. So follow up, click the link in the description, click the link in the comment section, and join that group, and let's learn together as a family. No talks and no share updates give you. I don't share updates give you now, Abi. So if you really enjoyed this video, please make sure you like this video, subscribe, and also hit that share button. Share it to Facebook, share it to Instagram, so that many other persons will get this information out there across to everyone that needs it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace for now.